day by day we're falling down, but life goes on. I've got some questions. Are you sick of feeling sorry? And people saying not to worry. Sick of hearing this Hakuna Matata motto from people who want a lot of banana laggy. Have you noticed that you're breathing? Look around and get your blessings. So when you're sick of all the stressing and guessing up your destiny, turn this up and let them hear you sing it. Why? Please tell me, why do we worry? Why do we worry at all? Why? Just tell me, why do we worry? When worry's never happened, tell me why worry at all? Chin up, quit acting like you're